This is the final shape of this pram. Now we are going to assemble these things to take this shape. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So today's video is little bit different video. Today we are going to review this product and we are going to unbox this product as well. So you know, when we came in the United Kingdom in the Scotland on the 5th of the Feb and we were at the airport, we booked an Uber from airport to our accommodation, and when Uber came, the driver was very reluctant to give seat to our kid because we don't have the kid seat. Okay, so this is the reason we have bought this pram for the kid. This we can use this in the car, we can use this while we are going out for any shopping or anything else. So let's move to the pram and now we will unbox it. Okay, so let's start. This is, you can see that this packing is very beautiful. When we will open the packing, the opening of this packing also was very difficult. I use a knife to open this. When you will open this, you can see that parts of this pram will start coming out. So what we have to do, make an effort, because this is almost 8 kg, 7 to 8 kg is the weight of this pram. Okay, now this pram is out and we have to bring other things. This is a a rain cover of this. These are the wheels of the pram, the front wheel of this pram. So the remaining things we can make it in this way. So you can see that this is the final shape of this pram. Now we are going to assemble these things to take this shape. Now we are going to remove this covering of this. So this pram is in front of us. This is the front support of this stand. You can see this is very beautiful. So you can see, you can hold like the feeder of your kid, you can hold some cup of your kid, and this will be like in front of your kid to support your kid. This is, you can see this is the food stand for your kid. Third thing, this is very beautiful thing, this is for you. So yes, this is our stand. When we bring it in the final position, okay, in this way, so it will get locked. Okay, so it's open now. Okay, now I will tell you that how we will assemble the wheel, how we will assemble the different parts in this pram. So first of all, we are going to assemble the front wheel. So you can check that these are the front wheels basically. In this we have to fix the wheel stand and it will start working. So keep in mind, we have to fix in it. So what we are going to do, what you have to do, just bring this end of your front side of your pram and we are going to it will give the sound of click. Okay, so it's working now, so it's fixed. All right, so in the same way we will take the other front wheel, same position, same thing, we'll bring it and it's fixed now. Here you can see that both of the front wheels are fixed. So after fixing the front wheel, now I will fix the back wheel. So back wheel fixing is little bit tricky, but I will explain to you everything. So we have to fix back wheels over here, but before fixing the back wheel we have to fix this. In this we will fix back wheels, and here are the brakes as well. So you can see here that these ends, like these ends, we are going to fix in this point. Okay, here and here we are going to fix these two ends of the back of your pram. So how we will fix it, so let me try to make further clear for you. So what you have to do, you will bring here and you will push both of the ends. So you can hear the sound of click. So these are fixed now. So I have fixed this end, and here you can see that in these ends now, here and here, we are going to fix the back wheels. As I have already mentioned that we are going to fix back wheels here. From this view you can see like these are the holders. So you will remove this pin of these back wheels. Okay, please don't remove this, don't remove this thing. Okay, and now what you will do, you have to bring this end in the inner side of your pram. So you will bring this way, and this is the final position of your wheel. So what you will do, you have to fix this pin back over here. How you will do, you can do it very easily. You can see this is fixed and this will give the support. So what you have to do, then you have to cover it with the cup so that your wheels look very beautiful. So this is fixed now. You can see that your wheel is moving. So in the same way, we will change the other wheels of your back side of your pram. Fixed now. See that all the wheels are fixed and it's moving. Now we will try to move some other things, and I will tell you that how these things are fitted over here. So first of all, we are going to fix the foot stand for your kid. So here you can see that this is the foot stand and we are going to fix it right this way. You can easily see that how you will fix this. You can bring this in this way. You can listen the voice of the clicking, and these clicks mean that your foot stand is very beautifully fixed. We are going to fix this front stand for the kid. You will hold your kid in front like this, and how you will fix it, you can see these two ends. You can see this is moving, okay, and the other end this is moving as well. So you have to fix these two ends, one here and the other one here, okay. So what you will do, you will bring this in this way, and this is locked. So you can see that this front holder of your kit is also fixed. Third thing we are going to fix is for your sport. This is basically holder of the pram. You will hold from here like this. What you have to do, you have to put this here. You can see there is a small hole here as well, and on the other side there is a small hole as well. Here you can see that there is a small clip on the side. On the other side there is another clip. So you can see that this hole is fixed in this clip. It's done. So on the other side you will also do the same. This is the final look. You will hold from here, and you can put anything like 1 cup, 2 cup, you can put your mobile over here. And now I will tell you that what are the other options, functions you can use in this pram. So let me show you. So there are the two buttons, basically one on this side and the other one on this side. When you will press these buttons, you can adjust the position. Like if your son, your daughter, your kid want to sit, you have to bring this stand just down, like in this way, so that your kid can easily sit like this, foot over here on the foot stand, and he will be sitting like this and hands here. So if you want that your kid is sleeping, like your kid can sleep over here as well, there is a long space you can see, okay, your kid can sleep in this, there is a long space. And what else you can do is that, so when he is sleeping, when your kid is sleeping, you want that your kid is not going to fall, please press the button and bring this up. This is the straight, and if you want to lock the feet as well, so please lock this. This is the lock. This will be on the belly of your kid, this will be on the one shoulder of your kid, this will be on the second shoulder of your kid, and your kid will be protected in this pram that he or she is not going to fall. So here you can see that this position of the pram of your kid is a sleeping position. If you want to make him sit, you can bring it up, like you can see. If you want further elevate the head end of the pram, you can further do. So this is the final position of your kid. So apart from that, there is another important thing. Like if there is sun, what you can do, you can bring this shade over here. So apart from this, sun protector, there is another basket as well on the base, and you can put I think up 8 to 10 kg weight in this. So as I have mentioned, we can take our things, we can store in it. So I am going to store here. So you can see, you can easily place a lot of things here. So a very good space over here. So you can see, place other things as well. Even if you are going for very small shopping, you can put your shopping things. So this is the final look of this pram. You can see that this is the front look. This is the look up from the side of the pram. These are the front wheels. Here your baby can sit. This is the sunshade on your baby. And from here, if you are moving, and you can see that what your baby is doing, you can remove this, and you can see, then you can again lock it. The last thing I want to show you, so these are the basically locks of the pram. So you have pushed it down and it is not moving now, it's locked. If you want to unlock it, just push it upward, it will be unlocked, and you can see that your pram is moving now. So the last thing I would like to show you, this is cover. So this is your pram which is ready to use now, and now you want to fold this pram. Let me make the things further clear for you. So here you can see that there is a button. You will push this button in this way, and there is an arrow as well. I can see that you must be appreciating this arrow. So what you have to do, you have to just do two things. Like what you will do, you will push this button. So when you will push this button which I have just shown you, and when you will rotate the handle, you can see that this pram is coming in the final compacted position. Okay, so you can see that this pram has been folded. You can take it in the one hand. You can place this pram in your car, and even if you want to do an air travel, you can place this in the aeroplane as well. So after this, if you want to again bring this in the final position, please hold this from this handle and bring it here. So in this way you can bring it in the final position. So it's again ready to use now. So this was all about from the today's video. If you like it, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much.